Friends, how are you doing today? Today I have come up with very new and very important topic all over India. This is regarding to Sahara India refund, which has been waiting for long time. See, basically we are a digital agency wherein we take up all the services regarding typing, scanning, printing, uploading of documents, Xerox online, and graphics and AutoCAD plans, as you have seen in this figure. So if you are having any kind of job which you want us to assist, definitely you can contact us. So coming to this Sahara India refund in detail. So this is the portal launched by Indian government on July 18th by Sri Narendra Modi ji and Amit Shah ji. So basically you can see depositor registration and depositor login. These are two very important things. First we have to finish off. First step is depositor registration with Aadhaar. Then once you want to enter into the portal, you have to again log in with depositor login, again using with Aadhaar and OTP. So this is the website I am mentioning, refund.crcs.gov.in is the portal. So initially for 5,000 crores of rupees, Sahara Credit Cooperative Society Limited, Sahara Universal Multipurpose Society Limited, Hamara India Credit Cooperative Society Limited, Stars Multipurpose Cooperative Society Limited. These are the four categories for which government has released the amounts for an amount of 5,000 crores. See, in this particular presentation, it is both in English and Telugu, basically mentioning the various deposit holders and what are the documents required, both in English and Telugu. So initially I have told how you should log in and do the registration process. You have to type your Aadhaar number over here. Then your Aadhaar number should be linked with a mobile number. Make sure that you have a color photo in hand, PAN card, Aadhaar linked with phone, bonds or passbook. Okay, these are the whole things that needs to be done. If you want any clarity, kindly contact to the customer care. This is the client's deposit form. If you want our services, definitely write all the details over here in this particular thing. We will be able to assist you to do the services. If you want to do on your own, this is the step-by-step process for all of you. So I request you to kindly like, share and subscribe, and do contact us on the given numbers and email ID so that we will be able to assist you. Thank you very much. This is Architect Sridhar signing off.